early morning, and today we're going on the Telegraph Track, proper off-road. Yes! I've got the map here. I'm going to show you where we're going on the off-road road. So this is where we now, Bramwell Roadhouse, and normally the road goes this way, all the way up north, but we are taking the Old Telegraph Track. Faster! Get off? Yeah, on the first gear. Yeah, dude. Up to there. Okay, let's go on the cutter. Yep. Yeah, I just seen. As soon as you're over that fucking first bit, yeah, you lose it here, like. I'll give it one more go. Now let it go. That was a no-go. Gonna try another hill. Get up there. Sweating my ring off. You ready? Nice one. All right, mate. Good shit. That was pretty steep, but we made it. Helped each other. But it's bloody hot. Got some water. Let's get stuck. Last 37 k's. Off to the next creek, and then we have a swim. Nice. Checking the river. I'll give it a go here. Exhausted after a day hard work on the bike, but we're going for a swim. Nice, near the waterfalls.